Dear friends and students, I welcome all of you to the weekly spoken English course organized by our center GACE.
Greetings to all of you. Hope you are all fine. Welcome to the weekly spoken English. Let us learn to speak English. Week 20. In this week, we are going to learn how to formulate future continuous tense and how we can make it negative, how we can make yes or no questions and WH questions, and when we use the future continuous tense. That is very, very important. Let us go. The future continuous tense indicates that something will occur in the future and it will go for some times and then it will get over. Okay? It is unlike the simple future tense. Say for example, I will reach home at 5 o'clock. I will reach home at 5 o'clock. I will reach. It is simple future. So reaching home does not prolong. Once you reach home, it is done already. You are at home. But after reaching home, possibly you may say that I will be having a cup of tea. Having a cup of tea may take possibly 2 minutes or 5 minutes, or if you are watching television and having a cup of tea, it may take even 8 minutes. So it is an event that starts and continues for certain times. So therefore, we use future continuous tense. Now let us learn how we can formulate the future continuous tense. It's very easy. See the example. First, there will be subject and will be. That word we need to remember. Will be and base. What is base again? Write, see, drink, walk, and plus ing. Okay. So I will be singing. Okay. Will be the ing form of the verb. Okay. Let us see the example. I will be traveling to Chennai tomorrow. I will be traveling to Mumbai tomorrow. I will be traveling to Delhi tomorrow. Traveling takes time. Okay. See the next example. Sheetal will be singing in the concert tonight. Again, singing is an event that will start and continue for some times. So therefore, we use future continuous tense. Let us learn how we can make the positive sentence into negative sentence. You see there, it is subject, will not be. So the not is inserted. That's all. So example, I will not be traveling to Mumbai tomorrow. Sheetal won't be singing in the concert tonight. She won't. See the spelling is quite interesting. It is supposed to be will not, but the contraction is won't. Sheetal won't be singing in the concert tonight. What about yes or no questions? Again, it is very easy. The will come first and then the subject and then be. That we should not forget. Okay, that is very, very important to learn. Will you be traveling to Mumbai tomorrow? Will you be traveling to Mumbai tomorrow? Will Sheetal be singing? Will Sheetal be singing in the concert tonight? Okay. Let us see the WH questions. Again, it's very easy. Just put the WH word in front of the verb will. Okay. When will you be traveling to Mumbai? When will you be traveling to Mumbai? Where will Sheetal be singing in the concert tonight? Where? Will Sheetal be singing in the concert tonight? Where? In the town hall? Or somewhere, some other hall or a hotel or a stage in the she show? Where? Okay, so that is WH questions. And what is very, very important to learn when we learn tense is when do we use them? What are the situations? What are the contexts in which we use that particular tense? Now we are learning future continuous tense. The first instance, to express an action in progress at a specific time in the future. To express actions in progress at a specific time in the future. What is future? Tomorrow or next week or next month. Okay, let us see the example. At 12 o'clock tomorrow, I will be having lunch at school. At 12 o'clock tomorrow, I will be having lunch. Why do we use future continuous tense? Because having lunch will take time. It will begin and progress for some times and then it will end. So therefore, the use of future continuous tense. Okay. The second use of future continuous tense is to refer to actions that are happening now. Okay, now it is happening, but possibly it may continue in the future. Okay, say for example, unfortunately, coronavirus will still be affecting people for some years. It is already affecting, already 2 years past. People are getting affected. It will be also affecting for few years later. See, we use the future continuous tense. The third use of future continuous tense is to ask a question politely. Suppose if you want to ask a question very, very politely. See the example. Will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? Will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? Asking questions very, very politely. The fourth instance where we use this tense is to emphasize future plans and intentions. What are our future plans and what are our future intentions? You see this, my uncle will be coming to visit us next week. It is already fixed. Ticket is booked. He already informed us. So therefore we use this tense to express this intention. My uncle will be coming to visit us next week. The fifth use of this tense is to describe atmosphere in the future. To describe an atmosphere. Okay? See for example, when I reach home, my children will be sleeping and my wife will be watching TV serials. It is an atmosphere. Okay? When I reach home. So what will be happening there? My children will be sleeping and my wife will be watching TV serials. Okay? The sixth use of the tense, future continuous tense, in today's lesson is to express a parallel action. What is parallel? Simultaneously happening. That is parallel action. Okay, but in the future. Okay, see the example. She will be watching TV and I will be cooking food. My children will be playing games, for example. Okay, so that is a parallel action happening. To express a parallel action happening in the future. Okay. Another important thing that we need to learn is the time expressions with the future continuous tense. What is the time expressions? It's very easy. In the future, next week, next time, next year, at this moment next year, at this time tomorrow, I will be traveling to Mumbai. At this time. Maybe what time? Whatever the time. 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock. At this time tomorrow. Okay. At 5 p.m. tomorrow. At 5 p.m. tomorrow, I will be meeting my doctor. Meeting the doctor is not, short event. You go and meet the doctor and discuss about your health and it will take for some times. So therefore we use the future continuous tense. Dear friends, hope the future continuous tense, the formation, the positive, negative, yes or no question and WH question, and when we use the future continuous tense. Hope that is very clear to you. Watch this video once or twice. And also don't forget, if you want to master, if you want to know more about the tense, there are plenty of materials available in the YouTube. Hope this lesson is useful for you, that you have some idea about the future continuous tense. See you in the next week. Bye bye. Take care.